Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I passed a night at my maternal aunt Hazrat Maimuna's and said to myself, I shall observe the prayer of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So a mattress was spread for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam slept thereon longitudinally. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up and started rubbing the sleep off his face. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter recited the last 10 verses of the chapter Imran's progeny, and then went towards a hanging water skin, held it, performed ablution, and got up to perform prayer. So I did the same as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had done. Then I stood up beside him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam put his hand on my head, then held my ear and twisted it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then made me stand on his right side. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2 units, again performed 2 units, thereafter performed 2 units, then performed 2 units, then performed 2 units, then performed 2 units, and then performed witr, odd prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4570.